Rightio, time for another 2-minute tutorial. Now this is something that I learned this week for the first time thanks to someone called Stacy who commented on one of my videos with this suggestion. So we've done a lot of work with the Polygon tool, so you can left click and hold over here on the rectangle tool or the ellipse tool and you get access to this menu where you can select the Polygon tool. And normally we would left click on the artboard and you can specify the radius or the size and you could choose the number of sides, click OK, and then you get that shape. Although that's quite a long-winded way of doing it, and if you wanted to create lots of different logo concepts or try out lots of different polygons with different numbers of points all at once, well, that's going to take you a little while to do. So what we can do is grab the Polygon tool and left click and hold it and drag your shape out, and with that still held, use the up and down arrow keys respectively on your keyboard and you can decrease or increase the number of points. So we could create a 3-sided shape. We could then drag, press the up arrow keys. We've got a 6-sided shape, and we could go and create an 8-sided shape, a 10-sided shape, whatever that's called. And that is a really quick way to quickly and easily adjust the amount of points that are in your polygon. So thank you so much to Stacy for sharing that with me and now with everyone else. Let me know down in the comments if you knew that already or if you learned something new today. Take care and I'll see you next time.